Assalamu alaikum, dear future engineers. Have you ever imagined creating your own robot, designing computer chips, building drones, and AI applications? If your answer is yes, then electrical engineering at Namal University is the place for you. Today, the world is changing faster than ever before. AI, robotics, electric vehicles, and semiconductor chips are shaping the future, and electrical engineers are leading the revolution. At Namal University, we believe you learn by building, experimenting, and competing. From your very first year, you will work in modern labs, build robots, develop AI applications, design systems, and solve real-world engineering challenges. What makes electrical engineering program unique is that our students work directly with two state-of-the-art research centers, the Center of Big Data and Artificial Intelligence and Agri-Tech Research Centers. These centers are innovation hub where students work alongside with faculty and industrial experts. That opens the door towards internship, research, and exciting careers. Electrical engineering students participate in tech expos and also compete national level competitions among leading universities. And when they graduate, our alumni are working in leading companies of IC design, embedded system, renewable energy, and other engineering sectors. The employment rate of electrical engineering graduates is above 90%. Dear students, I invite you to join the Department of Electrical Engineering and become part of something extraordinary. Don't just dream about the future. Come to Namal and build it.